This is the Tecno Spark 40 Pro, and this is the sibling, the Spark 40. Now be honest, what's the first thing that pops into your mind when you look at the Spark 40 Pro? Samsung? You're not alone, Tecno clearly took some inspiration. Same with the regular Spark 40. It's like someone at Tecno peeked into Apple's design lab and said, let's make this but with color. Beyond the familiar looks, the Spark 40 Pro brings extras like reverse charging, a better processor and a sharper selfie camera. But are these upgrades worth the higher price? Or is the regular Spark 40 still the smarter buy? Let's find out. Now before we start, if you have been watching my videos but haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. And if you are new here, welcome to All Around Review. I make straight to the point tech videos to help you make better buying decisions. So hit that subscription button and turn on notification. So let's get down to business. Both phones come in nearly identical boxes, just different names and specs on the back. Inside you get the same setup, a user manual, a silicone case, earphone, USB-C cable and a charger. For a closer look, check out my unboxing videos linked below. Now to the phones themselves. The Spark 40 Pro comes in ink black, moon titanium, lake blue and babu green. The Spark 40 comes in ink black, titanium grey, veil white and mirage blue. We are using the ink black for both here. If you want something that looks like a Samsung, oddly the cheaper Spark 40 Pro is it. If you are into iPhone vibes, the Spark 40's flat edges and glossy camera island might win you over. Both have a clean matte finish, though the Pro attracts more fingerprints. Easy fix with a case. The Spark 40 has a nice glitter effect that adds flair. Around the camera, Tecno used a one-piece metallic frame that gives both phones a premium touch. The Pro has a rectangular base, but let's be honest, it still gives Samsung vibe. So both phones feel solid, no creaky plastics. The Pro is slightly larger, but both are comfortable to hold. According to Tecno, they can survive drops from up to 1.5 meter, but don't go testing that. They are IP64 rated too, so they can handle dust and light splashes. Both phones have stereo speakers, DTS on the Spark 40 and Dolby Atmos on the Pro. Dolby Atmos gives the Pro an edge with clearer, more immersive sound, and yes, they both have headphone jacks. Security wise, both offer face unlock. The Pro uses an under display fingerprint scanner while the Spark 40 sticks with a side mounted one. So additionally, both includes an IR blaster to control your TV, AC or decoder. They also support dual SIMs and micro SD card expansion, and both can go up to 256GB of storage. The Pro comes with 8GB of RAM expandable to 16GB, while the base model starts at 4GB which is expandable to 8GB. In terms of pricing, the Spark 40 Pro starts at $221,000 which is approximately $156 for 8 over 128GB and 243,700 naira for the 8 over 256GB. The regular Spark 40 is more affordable, starting at just 142,700 naira. Here's where things really start to differ. The Spark 40 Pro has a 6.78 AMOLED display, advertised as 1.5K with 144Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 7i. The Spark 40 has a smaller 6.67 IPS LCD with 120Hz and no screen protection mentioned. The Pro sounds like a clear winner, but there is a catch. The Helio G100 processor in the Pro officially supports up to 1080p at 120Hz. Using third-party apps, the Pro's display reads as 1080p 120Hz, not the 1.5K and 144Hz Tecno claims. Is this a marketing strategy? Well, maybe, but even at 1080p and 120Hz, the AMOLED panel looks fantastic, sharp, vibrant and smooth compared to the Spark 40's LCD. It's more colorful with deeper blacks and better contrast. Tecno also claims the Pro peaks at 4,500 nits. In real-world outdoor use, it hits around 1,600 nits, still incredibly bright and very usable in sunlight. So yes, the Pro wins the display battle, but not as dramatically as the spec sheet suggests. Let me know in the comments, do you think Tecno's marketing strategy here is misleading or just clever? So right inside the phone, the Spark 40 Pro uses the Helio G100, while the Spark 40 uses the Helio G81. The G100 built on a 6nm processor is more efficient and powerful compared to the G81's older 12nm architecture. This gives the Pro better battery efficiency and smoother multitasking. In real world use, you'll notice the Pro is a bit snappier, but only if you are really pushing both devices to an extreme. For everyday tasks, the difference is minimal. I tested games like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, Mortal Kombat, and Devil May Cry. Gameplay felt nearly identical on both. Software-wise, both run Android 15 with iOS 15.1. iOS has improved, is smoother, cleaner, and less bloated than before. But here's where the Pro shines again: AI features. The base Spark 40 includes just 4 AIs. We have Hello Voice Assistant, Document Assistant, Writing Assistant, and AI Wallpaper Generator. The Pro takes it up a notch with 13 AI tools including Circle to Search, Call Assistant, AI Subtitles, Smart Translation, AI Gallery tools like Eraser and Extender, and an upgraded Ella with DeepSeek integration. It can write emails, generate images, summarize documents, and more like having a built-in chat GPT. The Pro also includes floating windows, smart panel, kit modes, and game mode, missing on the base model. These small features really improve daily usability. Both support FreeLink, which lets you share files or make offline Bluetooth calls. Tecno claims it works up to 2 km, but it works best within 500 meters. Still useful in low signal areas. So are you still watching this video? Simply drop a love emoji in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Both phones rock a 50 megapixel rear camera. For selfies, the Pro uses 13MP, while the base Spark 40 has 8MP. Both perform surprisingly well, with sharp, well-balanced photos and good dynamic range. Portraits look great with solid skin tones and decent edge detection. Selfies are also crisp and detailed. In terms of differences, they are very minimal. Image processing, HDR, and color accuracy are nearly identical. So if camera quality is your only concern, either phone will do the job. Strangely, the Pro's front-facing flash doesn't work during selfies, which feels like a missed opportunity. Both phones shoot video at 2K at 30 frames per second on the front and back. The Pro handles video slightly better due to its stronger processor and sharper selfie camera. So overall, the Pro offers a bit more flexibility, but both are solid shooters. Battery life is strong on both. The Pro has a 5200 mAh battery and the Spark 40 has 5160 mAh, though the box also lists 5200 mAh. Both support 45 watts fast charging and go from 0 to 100% under an hour. Where the Pro wins again is the reverse wired charging, perfect for topping up earbuds or even another phone in a pinch. A small but meaningful bonus at this price point. So which should you buy? If you are on a budget and need a dependable all-rounder, the Spark 40 gives you great value, decent display, solid performance, and good cameras. But if you are after upgrades, better AMOLED, better processor, more AI tools, and reverse charging, the Spark 40 Pro might worth the extra cash. Now, if you are using the Spark 30 Pro, the upgrade may not be essential unless you care about the refreshed design, Android 15 and iOS 15's new AI-powered features. Ultimately, it comes down to your budget and what matters most to you. Are you Team Pro or Team Base? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. This is Mr. Roy from All Round Review. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.